Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda CRV spark plugs. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, extensions, a 10mm socket for the coil bolts, and a 14mm slim spark plug socket. Always ensure your engine is cool to the touch before starting. You'll find the 4 ignition coils easily accessible on top of the engine, each connected to a spark plug. Safety first, so let's get prepared. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, gently unclip the electrical connector from each ignition coil, then remove the 10mm bolt holding each coil in place. With the bolts out, carefully pull each ignition coil straight up and out. Now, using your spark plug socket and an extension, reach down into the cylinder head, loosen each spark plug, and carefully extract it. Before installing the new spark plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Hand thread each new spark plug into its port to avoid cross-threading. Once finger tight, use a torque wrench to tighten them to 13 foot-pounds. Reinstall each ignition coil, secure it with its 10mm bolt, and firmly reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. With all new spark plugs installed and coils reconnected, it's time for the final steps. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then start your engine to ensure everything is running smoothly. Listen for any unusual noises or misfires. Remember to dispose of your old spark plugs properly. For more great tips and product recommendations, including the Owala water bottle, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching, and happy driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.